Hello guys, welcome to my channel Imperfect Sneha and you are watching me. I am Sneha Mukherjee.
गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि।
So guys, टाइटल और थंबनेल से तो आपको समझ में आ ही गया होगा कि today's video is all about creating a YouTube channel and basically it's my journey of YouTube channel and my 1 month journey on YouTube. Guys, thank you so much for supporting me a lot and today I have completed my 1 month on YouTube because just a month ago I have uploaded my first ever video on YouTube channel for the first time in my life, and if you haven't watched it yet then please click on the I button, I guess it's here or whatever. Click on the I button to check it out. So guys, before moving on to the topic, I would really wanna take some time, just a little time, to appreciate all my subscribers, to thanks all my subscribers because they are the only people who have supported my channel in its initial stage and who have made it from 0 to 100 plus today. Thank you so much all my subscribers, and if you are my subscriber then I love you a lot. And if you are not my subscriber, then what are you waiting for guys? Come on, click the subscribe button below and click the notification icon to get the notification. Yeah, right? Okay. So moving on to the video. So my thinking before creating a YouTube channel, I think you should check out my first video because I have explained it a lot on my first video that what's my thinking before creating a YouTube channel, because I guess I have made a plan of creating a YouTube channel since a long ago, like say 2016 or 17, but there were hundreds of reasons for not creating a channel, and I think there's only a reason to create a YouTube channel. So guys, if you really want to do something, you don't need any excuses, but if you are too lazy like me, like I was, so you have thousands of excuses not to create it. So guys, stop making excuses and start it today. So guys, to create a YouTube channel, you must have to decide a niche, a particular niche, because it's a very important factor, because without a niche you can't deliver any message to your audience that what are you doing on YouTube, right? So now from my point of view, I categorize niche into two categories. First is narrower niche, second is broader niche. Narrower niche, the examples of narrower niche are like you are making only cover song videos, you are making only dance covers, you are making only painting videos, etc. Now the examples of broader niche. So broader niche, you can say like you are creating videos on art forms. Now art forms can be of many types, like singing, acting, dancing, comedy, painting, makeup, etc. You can do lots of things if you are creating a channel on art form. Yeah, you have to, I think, prioritize an art form or two art forms to develop your channel and to connect with your audience. But I think broader niche is way better than narrower niche because you have a lots of options in front of you, right? So I prefer broader niche, and my niche is actually a broader niche. My niche is art form, actually art form, but not all kinds of art forms. As of now, my art form, my channel includes cover song videos, makeup tutorials, these are for now only these are the things which I can include in my channel. And besides art form, I would definitely love to tell you that I am a very big Potterhead, guys. So if you are a Potterhead, then please don't wait for anything, just subscribe the channel, okay? Because I am a very big Potterhead and I will definitely upload some videos time to time related to Harry Potter. Like my next video will be the tutorial makeup of Harry Potter. So guys, be ready. In short, you can see cover song videos, makeup tutorials and Harry Potter videos on my channel as of now. Yes, so this is a very interesting question, guys, that with how much budget I have started my YouTube channel. So let me tell you guys, I have started my YouTube channel with rupees 145. Shocked? No, there's no reason to shock actually, because the only thing I have to purchase before creating a YouTube channel is this. Yes, with which I am talking right now. So this is a collar mic. You can see this costs rupees 145. And before creating a YouTube channel, I just have to purchase this one, because if I would not have purchased this, then I think I can also make it. But to make my content more effective, more interesting, more attractive for you guys, my background, yeah, like how I created this black background. Guys, actually it's a very interesting story. I don't know whether any YouTuber will tell you or not, or whether any YouTuber have this idea or not. I really don't know. I really haven't checked out yet. I'm gonna tell you my secret of this black background. So let me tell you guys. Okay, no, I think let me show you, okay? Okay guys, so this is the place where I have to place my smartphone to shoot my videos. You can see that this place, this place. In this place, these two things work as a pillar, right? Guys, you can clearly see that this is daytime, and I always shoot my all videos in daylight, because I can't get this daylight, this natural light in evening or at night. So yeah, definitely I have to shoot my videos in daylight. So yeah, if you also need this type of black background, then you need a daylight, a window, a room. I think you all have. I think everyone have a room, a window, and everyone have a daylight, even if they don't have a room or a window, but daylight is available to everyone, okay? And yeah, the more important thing is this: you don't need any kind of fancy lights, right? Because you don't need even a light. You need a dark room like this. You have to make your room dark. You have to switch off all the lights, and you have to cover all the sources from which lights are coming. You just have to open a source, that is a window, to get this light. That's it. You will have this black background as I am having right now. If you find this cool, then comment below. Guys, I'm just here to help you. Please, if you want to start your channel, then start it by this. Start it by applying all these hacks, because hacks are the only things we can do as a beginner. Yeah, actually further investment I have made. I have made a recent investment by purchasing this thing. This thing is known as a lazy bracket stand, maybe something like that. This is the name of this thing, lazy bracket stand. And this is actually a clip to hold the smartphone. You can hold any type of smartphone in this clip. By the way, I haven't used it yet, but I really want to use it because you know what? I have purchased it. Let me tell you the reason. You know what? In a dark room, I can easily make my videos just by placing my phone in front of the window and getting the daylight. My video purpose, my light purpose, my everything is fulfilled. But when I have to shoot videos outdoor, like on the roof or in the balcony or somewhere outdoor, then it's very difficult for me to place my smartphone because there's no place where I can just place my phone and it will just record me. So it's really difficult for me to find a place. That's why I think that this lazy bracket stand will help me, but I really don't know that how will it help me. But I will definitely try to make it work. This costs rupees 369. If you want to create a YouTube channel, then the things you need is first of all a smartphone, which I think everyone have, right? Because today's generation is all about smartphone. If you have to study, you have to get a smartphone, because without smartphone you can't study online in this pandemic situation. So you need a smartphone, you need internet connection, you need something like some very basic things like this thing or even you can do without this, but depends on your content, right? Then after you need skill. Obviously without skill you can't do anything. Then after you have to know some hacks like this black background, right? You have to know some hacks to create your content effective, attractive, etc. But the most important thing to start a YouTube channel is your dedication. Guys, if you are dedicated towards your content, then I don't think that anyone can stop you from being a good YouTuber or being a big YouTuber. Last but not the least, my message to all of my subscribers that please keep supporting me like this, like you are doing right now. Keep supporting me like this, keep loving me, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it. If you are a Potterhead, if you are a song lover, if you are a makeup lover, then you must subscribe my channel because I will upload stuffs for you guys. My channel is all about my subscribers. Yeah, till then, bye bye. Take care. Love you.